Hey guys, so I'm going to go over the board template. Okay. Now, the board is where we give our coaches a template to where they can actually reverse engineer their classes for the week or day or whatever what you have scheduled. Now, this is great practice, so that way when it comes down to coaching, you already know what to do because you wrote it, you made your transition round number one and transition round number two for either a boot camp class or a strength class. Now, you'll play with this template to actually find the best practice and find the best flow that is good for you because every coach is different, every coach has a different flow. So, here is the board. All right, so you fill in your name, your date, either circle boot camp or strength, and the type of class you're coaching. Now, we have to make our coaches fill out the whole week in advance for this particular document, so that way the site manager will go over it and make sure they're on the right page when they turn them in at the beginning of the week. So here you would fill in your reverse engineering for the Metcon. Metcon A, you decide for either the bootcamp or strength segment. You will also follow up with the number of the first transition round, and then you'll follow with the second transition round for Metcon A. Now, most of our workouts have multiple Metcons, so you do the same thing as you did for Metcon A for Metcon B. Version engineer the movements, go in for the transition round number one, and then go in for transition round number two. Now, you are required to make your own copies, of course, and then like I said, you are also required to turn this in beginning of the week, so that way the site manager can go over it, the documents if needed, so that way you can actually figure out the best practice and best way for you to conduct class. Okay, guys, this is the board template. Okay, like I said, you are required to print it out on your own, and you also required to turn it in. Feel free to ask your site manager questions about reverse engineering, transition around number two, but I'm pretty sure he or she will go over that with you when they grade your document.